Hello YouTube and viewers, we are now in connections.my, the largest classifieds in Malaysia. You can buy, sell, find jobs and make your business grow up using our services. In this video, I am going to show how you can upload your pictures for your products and services and make it as a featured image. So let's log on as Guna, our user. We logged in as Guna now. Let's look at the Guna's advertisement that he put in previous video. So he has done aircon services in KL as a posting. Since he did not upload any image, the default image is being shown here. So let's edit and we will choose files. So we have three pictures here for aircon services. You can press Control with the mouse, again Control with the mouse, and one more time Control with the mouse. That means you have selected all the three pictures and you click open. So you can see that three files have been uploaded or selected. Once you do that, you just update the post. So it takes a bit of time for uploading. So you can see all these three pictures have been uploaded to the post. Once more click edit and here you can see a bell button and a trash button. Trash button is to delete the picture if you are not interested to upload as a posted picture. The bell button is to make it the featured image. That is the most important point I want to stress here. So you click the bell button here to make it a featured image. You can see this image has become bigger, which shows that it's a featured image. Once you do that, you just update the post again. So the featured image stands there and waiting for admin to approve. Remember that once admin approved, you cannot edit the image. You will lose the editing feature because admin has approved the image for posting into website Connections Malaysia. So what I would advise you is that you keep ready your images and keep ready the content and matter that you need to post. Once you have done that, you are ready to do a clear posting and waiting for the admin to approve the posting. So if you look at the home page, your posting will not be seen because the admin has not yet approved. So I will show you the admin approved posting in just a few seconds. Let me pause the video and make this post approved by admin. Okay, now you can see admin has approved the post and it's being seen in the web portal Aircon Services KL. Once you click it, you can read the material and content as posted by Guna. You can see Guna's email ID as well as WhatsApp number. This is how the seller and buyer get connected through our web portal. So whoever wanted aircon services in KL will be able to contact Guna. And let me show you one more feature where somebody who is interested in aircon services is going to search aircon and search. Once search is done, you can see only Guna's ad is filtered out and people are able to see the services offered by Guna. Similarly, this applies for all the categories as seen here. So whoever clicks the category or the items they are looking for will be able to filter out and see the contents. If somebody from Selangor if somebody wants to see a computer PC material or accessory or services, they can click it and search. So this search feature is very useful and user friendly for anybody who is looking for business product or services. That's why if you advertisement with us, you will have a clear connection coming through and you can upgrade your business and product services. Thank you very much for watching this video.